Okay, now you can see right here where I'm back on page 1, and this is the frame I added. Do you remember? Well, now it's time to name this page. Now we're not looking at one page, we're actually looking at 3 pages. We're looking at this page here, we're looking at this page here, and the third page, which is the frame page. What we're going to do right now is we're going to rename this page index. So we go File, Save As, and we're going to change the name from doc1mht to index. And whatever name's down there, it has to be changed to index. Absolutely positively has to be changed to index. Also down here where it says single file web page, it absolutely positively has to be on HTML or it will not work. Now we have 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to hit the save button. Okay? Now index is important because without a page called index, your website will never be viewed on the internet. You've got to have that in there. Now this is page 1, and I just want to make clear that it's called page 1, but when I add a frame, just like I did here, and I go to save this, File, Save As, this is where I change the name to index. We're not changing the name of page 1. The computer generates a new page called the index page, so this is where we put index in there, okay? And once again, we go right here and we go to web page, because without that, it's just the page is not going to work, and you have all kinds of frustrating moments. So when the computer prompts you, you go ahead and close this and save it. But it's an additional page that when you add a frame, the computer creates. Okay. Go back to my file, and when I do that, you will see that we have page 1, page 2, page 3, and then we have this strange document called M. Well, M is a name that the computer generates to describe what's called the menu, and in our case, the menu is the page 1, 2, 3 document we made. But don't worry about that. Just make sure that when you upload that you include M. And index, of course, is all the documents together. Okay? Now this one is completed, so if you'll notice here, when I click on here, it goes to my web page. If I click on here, it goes to page 2, goes to page 3, and page 4. I'm done yet, but it goes to those pages. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a few minutes. So right now, the important thing is that you saved the page that you just made, this frame page, as index, spelled I-N-D-E-X, and it's an HTML file, and it's in your web page. Okay? Make sure you do that.